birthday and make this celebration possible. Salamat kaayo sa inyong to my daughter, Akay. Happy 18th birthday. I'm so proud of the young woman you are becoming. I've seen how hard you work, especially in school, and admire your dedication. Keep going, anak. Education is the key to your dreams. As you you deserve it. Thank you again, everyone, for being part of this special night.
As your friend, as your like, gusto ko na ma-achieve yung mga goals in life, and you expected niya, I will support you behind your back, and I will clap for you, even though di na lang ta classmate of Delta Makuba. But I hope you always do think na naara ko always for you through up and down, through thick and thin. You know that I will always be there, and I'll try my best nga magkiusay punta throughout sa atong journey. And I know nga padayon lang.
The love of your family in your heart, knowing that you are never alone. And remember, always keep God at the center of your life, for with Him, all things are possible. May He guide your steps, protect your heart, and bless every dream you pursue. This is just the beginning of your journey. May your future be filled with success, joy, and endless opportunities. Keep believing in yourself, work hard, and never forget where you came from. Your best is yet to come. With all your love, happy 18th birthday, Kakay, once again. God bless.
Happy birthday! Hi, guys! Happy 18th birthday! Bigalis na ba? And welcome to Teknopo. Before this night ends, I just want to wish that all your prayers and good intentions will all be on your side and treat your studies and make your parents proud. Happy birthday! Padayon sa inyo. Mga daw sa patuloy talaga pangan sa you guys so much ahead of you.
Alright, palakpakan naman dyan. Thank you so much, Miss Kay.
Happy birthday. Wishing you a day filled with joy, laughter, and unforgettable moments. May your birthday be a bright happiness in everything you do, and that you never stop chasing your dreams no matter how big or far they seem. I hope you continue to enjoy life to the fullest and love a lot, love deeply, take peace, and collect memories and make your keep shining and stay true to who you are, and know that you have so many people waiting for you. Enjoy your day and happy birthday.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. For our next candle, may we request Miss Kai, Miss Christine.
18 and ready to take on the world. Wishing you a best birthday, as amazing as you are. Birthday.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Happy 8th birthday, Kai. Adulting begins and you're officially adult now. Today makes a new chapter in your life, filled with possibilities, dreams, and adventures. May this candle light the way to your brightness. Here's to another year of growth, exploration, and making unforgettable memories. Once again, happy birthday. Happy 8th birthday. Wish you all the best and more blessings to come. Happy birthday. May your 18th birthday be filled with life and happiness.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Kakay. Dali na gid kang panahon. Dili na ka baby, dili ka age na ka. Dili na magsugod ang seryosong decision. Ayaw ka bala kay daghan gyud ka makalinaw ka moments. Bisan di kang age na ka, always remember to stay grounded and kind. Happy birthday. Wow, grabe ka nice. Dulot.
I hope you enjoy your birthday right now and stay healthy and
Thank you so much, Ma'am Lassie.
Alright, for our lady in pink, today marks the beginning of your new chapter filled with endless possibilities. As you step into adulthood, may you embrace every opportunity with confidence and grace. Remember that this is just the start of your incredible journey. Keep shining and reaching for your dreams. Once again, happy birthday.
Thank you. Okay, next is
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Kakay. I pray that in life, achieve all dreams, and get everything you want. I want to see you at the top, become the person you've always wanted to be. I support you so loudly and proudly that you once made the worst of this who doubted you. Just know that I'm here for you and believe in you with all my heart. Again, happy 18th birthday, Ate Kakay. We love you.
yes. Thank you so much, Chin. Alright, next.
Happy 18th birthday, Kai. This year with love, joy, and endless possibilities. Always remembering na nagkakabayo mo support na. Ayaw mo kaya sa kailang po. Taro is free na kayo.
Tambak ba? Thank you, Ma'am. I'm able to take it to pursue your dreams and passion with courage and determination. You have so much potential, and I know that you will achieve great things in life. We will be here always in every step in your way, cheering on you until the birthday years yourself. I wish your day of I wish you a day filled with joy, love, and happiness. May all your wishes come true, and may this year be even more amazing and last. Wow, ano pagpanan si Mang Bayan? Alright,
No, pusog na lawas. Magtarong nila. Wish you more birthdays to come. More candas to go. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
oh, yan, good.
A round of applause, please.
Happy birthday, Grayson, na nakasaligan age. We know nga, nanigid ka sa right nga mind, and I know nga, na kay ups and downs, and yung prayers, ang unang imo nga maduunan, but if ever man nga gadaw ka, o open up sa ilang, pwede na nilang maduunan, this is coming upon. I know nga sometimes, having problems to do sa imo, but itarget niya kung nakasinabot, so run sa ang mga diretso, if ever na niligid ka, okay. Happy birthday, Grayson. I hope supporto niyo yung which is in tourism. And I will know na makaya ka. Good luck sa studies.
Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am Ian.
Happy birthday, Grayson! Thank you for inviting me sa mong birthday. Lamig yung pagkaon. And I wish you all the best in life. Happy birthday!
Kakay, happy 18th birthday. Wish na ko sa imuha nga ma-achieve nimo kung unsa man imong gusto sa kinabuhi. O good luck sa imong mga chosen career or imong imong gi-choose nga field sa imong bagong journey sa imong studies. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Kai!
Happy 18th birthday, Kakay. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kakay!
Happy 18th birthday to my best friend, my cousin, Gracil May Orbita. Finally, you are in the chapter that you're already legal and yeah, pwede na mag-vote. And my wish for you is to have a long life, healthy living, and hopefully you will achieve your goals in life soon in God's grace. So happy birthday, I love you.
May God bless you and give you all the desire of your heart. It's a very simple name, like hindi siya kahit, pero it symbolize self-love and self-care. And it will bring color to your life. I hope it gives you the confidence to shine in your own beautiful and unique way. Pero ako yung Bible verse na share sa inyo lang. Pero Bisaya lang ang version kay mas chata siya. Proverbs 3 verse 5 to 6. Salig sa Ginoo sa bugos mo kasing-kasing, ayaw gayon pagsalig sa imong kaalam. Hinumdumi siya sa tanan mong buhaton, o tutulan kaniya sa matarong na dati. Happy birthday, guys!
Yes.
birthday, Kai. Sa birthday mo. From to, ang bagay. Basta kanya akong gift. Para makuha ko siya para makaka-attract ang mga baby boys. More baby boys to come. And happy birthday.
Yes, thank you, Michelle. Happy birthday, Kai. Enjoy your day.
Dahil na pa sa mga eskwela. Pinahulong ka, nakakay. Ilabi na, kay Daddy Joe, o kung mamisalin mo, o dagan pang umabot, makatiligan sa inyong birthday.
Happy birthday, Kai. This reflects your style and grace. May it always bring you joy. Your attention, radiating beauty and kindness. May this bag be a symbol of your strength and resilience.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Happy birthday, Kai. Kanya akong gift, magamit mo na yung rain or shine.
Your 18th birthday, Kai. Currently, you are in the legal age. I wish you have a lifetime smile, happiness, love, and wish. You all the best and continue your growth in life and good luck sa next mga journey. I pray that God will grant you long life, good health, and more birthdays to come in your life. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kakay. Maraming sintolan, Kay.
Yeah, thank you so much. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ay, basta happy birthday.
Basta, happy birthday.
Actually, ako gift na hatag na ako sa iya sa mag-gift na ako happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kai. I hope that whatever you wish in life, you will continue to succeed and always know that we're here for you no matter what. I know that there are times na naging hardships sa life, but always remember that those who work hard will reap the fruit of their labor. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, next natin si Miss Ansari.
Birthday Grace man. Ako give up ko ikaw na lang. And I'm thankful na during sa last year sa ICI, kilala tayo. And just to let everyone know, Rachel was one of my favorite na immersion student kasi every time na kay staff or anything na kailangan ko kaya always niya na bumuhat. And one of the people na always na ako maaasahan sa usap na akong iatag. And for those na time na nag-asa na mag-eviction ka, actually, tayo kung hanap ko o balay na yung pwedeng magtuhan. But I think it's a God's blessing na rin po na hindi na tuloy. Kasi currently na kadidre, tapos makita pa hindi apunta. Positive, next time, ako mag-i-exam ko. Ayun.
Thank you, Sir Ansari.
Happy birthday, Kai. Okay, happy birthday, Gracel. So this is your day, and this is your special day as well. And I'm so thankful and blessed. We met as a immersion student from the ICI, so we are the guidance counselor designated in ICI. We are very thankful sila ang tulo, and most especially kasi yung kay all of the tasks that gihatag sila is buhat gid nila so we are thankful and also thank you for inviting me here and happy me it's because we've met no kailan nag-meet kita sa inyong journey sa life so kamo mga matagal pa gid mo so nagila-ila kita so this is the purpose and the reasons why nagkwento ng kanang nagtagbo kita sa ICI so but now currently, so I am no longer connected to ICI. So nag-change career na punta. Alright, so thank you so much and happy birthday.
Thank you, Sir Dave. Okay.
Wish ko na ako sa matagal ni Lord o basta nga maglawas ang tao ang mga tao mag-suporta sa ako ako ang mga support system. Yay! Happy birthday, Miss Gracia!
First of all, thank you kayo for coming sa ako very special day and especially kanang thankful kay ko special thanks to Mami Sally and Daddy Joe for being our support system in life. Thank you kayo pag suporta sa amoa. Naara jud mo sa amoang kiliran nga andam mo suporta sa amoang kinahanglan and also to my parents. I know nga kanang struggle din ta sa financial but ginakayo ninyo kay para lang kanang bisag gamay lang makasuporta mo sa amoa and to Mami Sally nga kanang naari jud for me kanang mo suporta sa amoa bisag thank you kayo Mami Sally and Daddy Joe nga for kanang gitagaan ko niyo chance nga ma-experience ang ingani.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Grace. Very happy.
Happy birthday Kakay! Happy birthday Mangod! Happy birthday Kay! Happy birthday Kay! Happy birthday Kay! Padayon sa imong goal and God bless!
Happy birthday, Kai!
Hi Kai, happy birthday! Wish you all the best in life. Og dayon, magbinutan sa imong pag-eskwela. Successful lang yung pag-eskwela. Bye! I love you Kai! Happy birthday again!
Happy birthday Grisel, Rita, and maingon ako sa mga God bless and good health. And happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gracel! Salamat sa pagkaon. Lami kayong litson. Og happy birthday, wish you all the best. Og unta magkita ta pohon na successful na ta. Shout out dai ko sa akong amiga nga wala diri. Kay wala siya diri. Hi Kai, happy birthday. Bigyan age na yun ka. Welcome to Adobo. Padayon sa imong mga pangando, ginaot nga matuman na nimo and God bless. Happy 18th birthday, Kakay!
Oh, happy birthday Kai! Thank you sa pasabog! Happy birthday cousin!
Hi Grace, happy 80th birthday. This year's celebration of your milestone for entering a life new changing endeavor. I hope that as you turn 18 today, I hope that you will learn more things in life and you will conquer everything that you have set for yourselves. And always remember that those people that who work hard will reap the fruit of their labor. And also remember that you are turning 18, so you should be more responsible and capable of doing things that is for your good. Thank you.
I heard you feeling nothing's going right.